Welcome, friends. In today's video, we are talking about time. Time is the one thing you can never get back. Money can be earned again, opportunities may return, but time, once it's gone forever. Every single day, people wake up with big dreams, but they sleep again without taking action. Not because they can't do it, but because they think they have more time. The truth is harsh, but simple. Life doesn't wait, and success doesn't wait either. If you are watching this today, this is your wake-up call. Stop wasting your time.
Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they are comfortable. Comfort tells you, start tomorrow. Relax today. You deserve a break. And slowly, days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into years. And dreams turn into regrets. Comfort feels good now, but it steals your future quietly. If you want a different life, you must be willing to feel uncomfortable today. Because comfort is expensive. It costs you your dreams.
Excuses sound reasonable. That's why they are dangerous. I'm too tired. I'm not ready yet. I'll do it when the time is right. But listen carefully. The right time never comes. Successful people are not special. They just stop negotiating with their excuses. Every excuse you accept is time you throw away. And time doesn't forgive. It keeps moving forward, whether you move with it or not. Because comfort is expensive. It costs you your dreams.
Imagine your future self standing in front of you, stronger, wiser, successful. Now imagine them asking one question. What did you do with the time you were given? What will your answer be? Did you scroll endlessly? Did you delay your goals? Or did you fight for your dreams, even when it was hard? Your future depends on what you do today, not tomorrow, not someday, today.
You don't need to change your whole life overnight. That's not how real progress works. Small actions, done daily, create massive results. 10 minutes of learning, 1 page written, 1 step forward. It may feel slow, but slow progress is still progress. Time rewards consistency, not perfection. Stop waiting to feel motivated. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Some days you won't feel inspired. Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you'll want to quit. That's normal. But discipline says, do it anyway. Discipline is choosing your future over your current mood. If you master discipline, time becomes your ally, not your enemy. Your phone, social media, endless entertainment. None of these are evil, but too much of them is deadly to your goals. Distractions steal hours without you even noticing. Ask yourself honestly, how much time do you lose every day? What if you used just half of that time to build your skills, improve your life, or chase your purpose? Protect your time. It's priceless. This is the hard truth. No one is coming to save you. No perfect moment. No magical opportunity. No shortcut. It's on you. Your success, your growth, your future. When you accept this, you become powerful. Because now you understand. You are in control of how your time is used. Don't wait for next week. Don't wait for next year. Start now. Start scared. Start small. Start imperfect. But start. One day, you'll look back and realize this moment changed everything. Time is passing anyway. The only question is, will you waste it? Or will you use it to become who you were meant to be? The choice is yours.